Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix this some privacy related extensions may cause issues error on x.com. So this problem can stop Twitter from loading correctly, but clearing the website data and disabling certain browser extensions may solve it. So start by opening your browser, click the three dots in the upper right corner, then open settings, and from the menu on the left, select privacy and security, and then click third-party cookies, then choose see all site data and permissions, and use the search box at the top and type x.com. So once it appears, delete the stored data for the website. So this clears old or damaged files that may be preventing X from working properly. And next, open the extensions section in your browser and turn off your extensions, especially ad blockers, VPN extensions, privacy tools, and tracking protection extensions, because one of these may be blocking a feature that X needs to load. And after disabling the extensions, close the browser completely and open it again. And then visit x.com, refresh the page, and check whether the error is gone. And if X still does not load, try opening it in another browser to see if the issue is connected to your current browser. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.